Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMZN, Amazon. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, this one's a little tricky because earnings is out. So the question becomes where is Amazon ultimately going to open up on Friday? So as of right now, you can see that it's basically around 3,600. So I'm going to go ahead and assume it opens up right around 3,600. But again, it's tricky because we still have all of after hours today on Thursday, and then you have all of pre-market on Friday. Like I said, for the sake of this, I'm going to assume that this thing opens up here at the 3,600 mark, which now brings about, let me squeeze this down here. There we go. A couple of key dynamics, and that, as you're seeing here, that's going to put the price up at highs that perhaps, I don't think it's all-time highs, is it? Maybe it's all-time highs. I guess I'm not. Yeah, basically 3,600 is all-time highs, which brings about now the very valid question of, okay, well, can the price at least show signs of progress, which is why now moving forward, this 3,500 mark is going to be important because, again, if the price does indeed open up somewhere here around 3,600 and comes all the way down here, think about that. Even if it comes all the way back down there, levels out, and then starts to work its way back upwards, what would you still have at that point? Well, look at where the previous lows are. You'd have lows there, lows there, lows there, lows there, up there. You get the idea. And if you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, then overall, you'd still very clearly have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that assumes that it even drops all the way down to 3,500. If it stays up where it is right now, well, then that trend is going to look just that much healthier. But the point here being is, even if the price pulls back quite a bit, it's still got 3,500 there, which would ultimately still give it a great overall area, of support to watch from the bigger picture point of view. And then just to zoom in here, as far as areas of resistance are concerned, what's, being conveyed right now, first area of resistance would be up there right around 3630, and then the next level of resistance, if this thing tries to get any sort of further movement, going to be right up there around, let's just call it 3670. So keep an eye on those levels. And again, this is all coming from the post-market data here. But like I said, they are trickier to talk about given that you don't quite know where it's going to open up. But moving forward, these are going to be the general levels to watch. So let's see how Amazon plays out on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.